Welcome to Duoni's kitchen. Merry Christmas! Today we're going to learn how to cook fried rice with eggs and veggies. Here we need spring onion, egg, and mixed frozen veggies. Of course, it's a rice dish, so you might need some rice, I guess. Cold rice, as you can see, I cook my rice with a rice cooker. So many people ask me how to cook rice without that. The answer is no, you cannot. So the chopped one is for decorating in the end and the taste, and the long one is for cooking at the beginning. Now we break an egg into a bowl, as you can see. Apparently, we take them away. And those are Buttergemüse, which you can easily get in the supermarket. It's so easy because then you don't need to chop any veggies. You don't need to wash them. Really important here. Do not use fresh cooked rice and do not use fresh cooked rice because it's just not gonna work. So what I always do is I cook the rice in the morning. Once the rice is cooled off, you can put the rice in the fridge and then use it in the next day anytime you want. That's always the best way to cook the fried rice. Heat up your wok like always. Add oil to the pan before it is way too hot and start to smoke. You don't need that much oil. This is for the egg, so just make sure it coated the wok. The wok is getting really hot. You just be patient and wait. Meanwhile, you can just stir your eggs. Just mix your eggs very well, and until the pan is really, you can test it like this. Little tiny drop. Once you hear the sizzling sound and they form it really fast, that means the wok is ready. Now you can pour your egg in. It is sizzling! Look at that egg. Yes, you stir them. Once the egg is a little bit cooked, you should take them out immediately. Like right now, yes, do it. You really don't want to overcook the egg because in the end they will get into the rice and cook it with all the ingredients again. Now we're gonna cook the veggies. You don't need to defrost those veggies, and also because it's butter veggie, so you barely even need any oil, and there's some oil left from cooking the egg. Put some spring onion in, cook them until you feel like they're 70% finished. remove them, put them into the bowl where your eggs is. A little bit more oil because you don't want to let all the rice stick on the bottom. Even though they do get stuck on the bottom of your wok, you can just scrape it. As you can see, it is really hard after the whole night staying in the fridge. But you just need to be patient and cook them for like 3-4 minutes. Then they will start to get soft. Press them and cook them, stir them. Now we put a little bit water in, I would say like 50 milliliter. And cook them again, stir them. Finally, now we put the veggies and egg in, mix them together. Soy sauce. Smells really good. Stir them and make sure that you mix them very well so there's no more big spots without soy sauce and stuff. It's the grandma time. You remember grandma? Just in case you forgot. Here's grandma. Yes. Put 1 teaspoon or 2 or 3 or I don't know, just do whatever you like. I like to use 2 teaspoons, sometimes even a little bit more. I used here the mushroom one, but like I said, there are a million different kinds of sauces. You can just pick whatever you like. Stir them very well. Put some chicken stock powder in. Last but not least, very important, sugar. I think a lot of times you just realize your food is not as yummy as you expected and you actually put enough salt in it. What could it be? Baby, you might had too less sugar in it, okay? Sugar is the shit. Read after me. Sugar is the shit. Sugar is the shit. Very good. Now your rice is almost finished. You just need to turn off your heat a little bit and stir them. Make sure all the spices and the powder and stuff are mixed very well. If you like, you can put some pepper in it, but you don't have to. Because of the soy sauce, normally I don't use salt anymore, but I know a lot of friends of mine, they're crazy for salt. I wonder if that's the reason why Germany got so less mountain with salt, you know. Those people are just crazy. Ta-da! You know, this part is for the decorating. Just put the spring onion rings on the top, just in case it tastes really bad, but at least you guys can post it on Instagram and pretend it tastes really good because it looks really good, right? I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas night. We see each other very soon again for the next dish.